Relax ako. Pero isa na na doon.
Doon ako. Magpapalit na lang pa pala.
Uyo, pitsang gala.
The man of love, and he who sacrificed for our salvation. Jesus, our God.
Pitsang gala.
Gumagala pala siya.
Ah.
We bow our head to show our faith, respect, and reverence for the days as merchant officers and Christians for His glory. We ask for His intercessions to bless us and make this day and the days to come be fruitful and successful. May the good Lord bless us always.
Hindi, mas safe nga siya dyan. Mas nakakangawit yung baril. Pag nalaglag yan, may parusa yan.
Our alma mater's four letters. P-M-M-A. The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy is the moving portals that will serve as our constant guide in steering the path against the high seas. From an innocent boy to a man of valor, and from an ordinary civilian to a midshipman.
From these portals rose the people who were never contented of being instruments and beer workers, but stepped forward to become maritime leaders and professionals. Perhaps leaders are born, yet the Academy also proves that leaders can be made. These are the people who have the guts, the heart, and the brain